when she wakes up this morning and turns to kiss me, she'll find I let her sleep, 'cause we talked so late last night. She'll know I kissed her face gently till my returning, and when she finds the rose on my pillow, I know she'll smile. Her amazing love unending is so much more than I am worthy of. If the rose could speak my feelings, she'd know I cherished her amazing love. If I call her a little late, she forgives me. Her voice does not betray, she spent another day alone. She softly thanks me for the rose and says I need you, and that I can feel her smiling on a phone. Her amazing love unending is so much more than I am worthy of. If the rose could speak my feelings, she'd know I cherished her amazing love.